In a world of fleeting trends, some things remain eternally important. The way we present ourselves to the world is one of those timeless essentials. It's not just about following the latest fashion or having the trendiest haircut. It's about feeling confident and comfortable in your own skin. Looking your best is one of them. It's about making a statement without saying a word, and that starts with the finer details of personal grooming. Zorami understands this, and their 2024 ear and nose hair trimmer is proof. This trimmer isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in personal care, designed with precision and elegance. This isn't just another gadget, it's a statement of self-care. With its sleek design and advanced technology, the Zorami trimmer stands out in a crowded market. Zorami focuses on the details so you can put your best face forward. Every aspect of this trimmer has been meticulously crafted to ensure a seamless grooming experience. Whether you're a seasoned professional or new to the world of personal grooming, the Zorami trimmer is designed to be approachable and effective. Its user-friendly interface makes it easy for anyone to achieve a polished look. We're all busy, and this trimmer fits seamlessly into even the most hectic schedules. Its compact design and quick cleaning feature mean you can maintain your grooming routine without missing a beat. Join me as we delve into the world of the Zorami 2024 ear and nose hair trimmer and discover what makes it a cut above the rest. From its innovative design to its unparalleled performance, this trimmer is set to redefine your grooming standards. First impressions matter, and the Zorami trimmer makes a good one. The sleek, modern design immediately catches the eye. Its smooth lines and polished finish make it a standout piece in any grooming kit. It's not just about looks, though. The Zorami trimmer is designed to perform exceptionally well. This trimmer is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. The robust build means it can handle daily wear and tear without compromising on performance. The Zorami trimmer feels substantial in hand, not flimsy or cheap. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it easy to maneuver. This is a tool designed for daily use, built to withstand the rigors of a busy lifestyle. Whether you're trimming your beard, nose, or ear hair, the Zorami trimmer is up to the task. The attention to detail is evident in every curve and contour. Each element is thoughtfully designed to enhance both aesthetics and functionality. The Zorami trimmer is a perfect blend of form and function. It's not just a grooming tool, it's a statement of style and quality, making it an essential addition to your daily routine. The Zorami 2024 ear and nose hair trimmer isn't just about good looks. It's packed with features that make grooming a breeze. This trimmer is designed to be both functional and stylish, ensuring that you get the best of both worlds. One standout feature is the dual-edge spinning blade system. These blades are engineered to provide a precise and efficient trim, making sure that no hair is left behind. The dual blades work in harmony to give you a smooth and even cut every time. This innovative design provides a close, comfortable trim without pulling or tugging. You can use it with confidence, knowing that it won't cause any pain or discomfort. The smooth trimming process ensures that you can groom yourself quickly and efficiently. Say goodbye to the discomfort often associated with traditional trimmers. Zorami prioritizes your comfort, making sure that each use is as pleasant as possible. The ergonomic design fits perfectly in your hand, allowing for easy maneuverability. The blades are crafted from hypoallergenic stainless steel, making them suitable for even the most sensitive skin. This means you can use the trimmer without worrying about irritation or allergic reactions. Plus, the stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity. Experience a new level of confidence with the Zorami trimmer. Its sleek design and advanced features make it a must-have in your grooming kit. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting or a night out, the Zorami trimmer ensures you look your best. Section 4. Effortless Use, Ergonomic Design. The Zorami trimmer is incredibly user-friendly. Its ergonomic design fits comfortably in hand, making it easy to maneuver. The power button is conveniently located and simple to operate. No complicated settings or confusing instructions. Zorami believes that grooming should be effortless. Spend less time fussing with your tools and more time enjoying life. Section 5. Maintenance made easy, waterproof, and worry-free. Cleaning is a breeze with the Zorami trimmer. It's fully waterproof, allowing for easy rinsing under running water. No more struggling with tiny brushes or worrying about damaging delicate components. The Zorami trimmer is designed for convenience and peace of mind. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the waterproof feature makes cleanup quick and easy. Spend less time on maintenance and more time enjoying life's simple pleasures.